So we were doing subject verb agreement, and in the last classes we had done, in the previous classes we have done two exercises, exercise A and exercise B, where we had to fill the correct form of the verbs in the blanks. Today we are going to do a paragraph given on page number 127. Open page number 127. There is a paragraph given about a kangaroo where few mistakes are there. You have to correct the mistakes and then rewrite the paragraph. All right. Now mistakes are related to the verbs. Now read the paragraph given on page number 127. I lives in my mother's pouch. What is the mistake you can see here? I lives in my mother's pouch. Yes. So underline lives and write the correct word live on top of it. I live in my mother's pouch. Underline lives and write the correct word live on top of it. All mother kangaroos carries their babies in their pouch. We lives in our mother's pouch. What is wrong here? Again, underline lives and write there live. We live in our mother's pouch. We we live in our mother's pouch till we am old enough. What is wrong here? Am is wrong. So underline am and on top of it write are. Till we are old enough to take care of ourselves. ARER. We live in our mother's pouch till we are old enough to take care of ourselves. So you have to underline am and write the correct word are on top of it. Yes, Rishita. Why you all join late when you all know very well that I give link 5 minutes before the time? If time is 10:30, then I give the link by 10:25. Then why you all join late? Half of the work is done. Then you all join and then ask ma'am what we have to do. Again, I have to tell everything. Page number 127. The paragraph that is given, we are correcting the mistakes and rewriting the paragraph again. First, correct the mistakes and then rewrite later. So, first sentence, I lives in my mother's pouch. The wrong word is lives. Underline it and write the correct word live on top of it. Then, all mother kangaroos carries their babies in their pouch. We lives in our mother's pouch. Again, lives is wrong there. Underline lives and write live on top of it. Mother's pouch till we am old enough. Again, here am is wrong and there should be are in place of am. ARER. Till we are old enough to take care of ourselves. Next paragraph. My mother hop with me all through the day. What is wrong here? Yes, hop is wrong. So underline hop and write there hops. S will be there. My mother hops with me all over the day. HOPS hops. Sometimes I hops out too. What is wrong here? Yes, here again underline hops and write hop. HOP hop. Yes. In the first hop, you have to add S. In the second hops, you have to cut S. I hop out too, but I gets back into the pouch quickly. What is wrong? Yes. Gets is wrong. So underline gets and write get. 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 Get back into the pouch quickly. I'm repeating the whole paragraph again. I Now I'm going to read the paragraph with the correct words, okay? I live in my mother's pouch. All mother kangaroos carries their babies in their pouch. We live in our mother's pouch till we are old enough to take care of ourselves. My mother hops with me all through the day. Sometimes I hop out too, but I get back into the pouch quickly. Is this clear to everybody? You have, okay. Any doubt in any word in the paragraph? You have to rewrite whole paragraph in the lines which are given below. Can you see the lines which are given? Yes. You have to write all the full paragraph again in the this is your today's work. No, in copies you don't have to do this exercise. You have to do this exercise in the book itself. Space is given there. Put a tick mark and write there book so that you remember you have to do it in book. And from the next time, please join the meeting 5 minutes before the time starts. When I give the link, please don't join the class late. All right.